Yeah.
Tonight we've bought another shitbox 9 and 3. Welcome to my dump. We're stuck here at a bus stop. It's 7:30. We're stuck here because this car overheats. We just bought it and we're taking it about 50 meters down the road, and we're gonna do a change of the thermostat because that's why it's overheating. So let's get to it.
So because we're at a bus stop, the next bus is gonna come at 7:41. Currently it is like 7:24, something like that. So we've got about 15 minutes to get this up and going. Yarn, Mr. Yarn.
I'm already jacking it up.
Yeah,
not jacking it up properly. It doesn't matter. I'm just gonna do it. If I put a hole through it, I put a hole through it.
Are you jacking up from the engine?
Yeah.
Oh.
She'll have to do. I don't like doing this, but I have to do it because I only brought one jack and we don't have a lot of time. Ooh.
Hopefully no one stops here.
Hopefully no one has to stop here because they'll be hilarious.
Yeah.
That'll be really funny.
Oh fuck. Did you get the bag of tools?
I put the handbrakes on here.
Is that it? Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Did you grab the distilled water? We need the
Yeah, I'll grab it.
Distilled water. Alright, we're gonna try to capture all the coolant from the system. There's the plug. I just need you to open up the cap bench here.
It's open.
Just water. Of course it's overheating because there's just water in the system. We'll put some coolant in. Tools. So I need that, and 10 mil. Because this car hasn't got a secondary air injection pump, we can go straight to the thermostat. Just gonna
Who's this?
Is this the bus?
No.
It's not the bus. Good.
So what are we doing right now?
Taking the thermostat off. And I'm almost up to the second bolt, having it completely off.
We got one out. Let's go. Another one to go. Oh, the bus is coming. The bus is coming. Yes! Yes! Yeah! We didn't have to fucking. Oh! Yeah, let's go!
If we had to stop, if he stopped for us, that would have been hilarious as well.
Oh, no, I think he's like, that.
He was like, nah, I ain't stopping here.
No,
way in hell.
hell no.
No way in hell. I just dropped the bolt.
Bruh. Are you serious?
Of course I'm serious. I dropped the stupid bolt.
Dude, I fucking knew this is. Oh my. No. Mission to find the bolt.
I got it, and I got a 5 mil as well. Which means someone's been here before.
That's what I saw down there.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, that's what I saw.
So someone's been down here already. Let's put some genuine.
Volkswagen.
This one's to 87 degrees, I think. This one's to 91. We'll put the 87 degree one in because I'd rather it open prematurely than it not open at all. Closed. Cool. All right, she's in, so time to fill up.
Okay, let's go.
She's running, so hopefully she doesn't overheat. I don't know. We're gonna see when we're halfway down the road if we've got a bit more of a problem. She'll be right.
So I am waiting in the car for Yarn, just to make sure everything's okay before he drives off. So yeah, I don't know what he's dicking around with his laptop with, but.
So it's got an error code, so it's gonna run like shit. I'm just gonna flash a stage 1 tune on it and, well, be done with it.
Bro.
Alright, so it's tuned. Just putting my laptop away. And she's running, so that's good. Hopefully no limp mode on the way back, because then I'll be just annoying. I just suck. So, let's go! Oh no. Oh no, go.